After a month waiting, finally the monsoon season almost ended. A month ago, we had a contractor leveling the land. We now proceed with the use of backhoe loader excavator machine to fall some trees, unloading and leveling of crusher run. Crusher run is a mix of coarse and fine aggregates gravel. Another series of video coming out soon, which would be the final outcome of the land. It was interesting to see how a backhoe can fall a tree. It only takes less than 15 minutes. There were a few more trees that was blocking the left passage which needed to be cut down. As the backhoe was tearing down the trees, our contractor had advised not to fall the third tree. His concern was that it will fall and block the highway. The backhoe driver said otherwise. Since I did not want to take risk, we did not fall the third tree. My focus was on the budget, which has doubled. The initial budget to clear only 15,000 to 20,000 square feet, however a mistake was made and almost 30,000 square feet was cleared. Watch how easy a backhoe can down the trees. The backhoe first dug, cleared and loosened the surrounding soils and then maneuvered to pull the tree down.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that I can continue making more video contents like this.
Once the first tree has fallen, he proceeded with the second tree. It took only about 10 minutes for the second tree to fall. It had fallen closer to the highway, which raises concern of falling the third tree. However, when he was trying to cut down the third tree, this is when the contractor raised his concern. He asked me to reconsider not to cut it down. During the monsoon season, we placed aggregate stones so that the loosened soil does not flow and block the main drainage. We also dug to monsoon drains to ensure that the water from the upper level of the site flows directly into the main drainage. We built a concrete drainage cover top that can withstand 5 to 6 ton vehicle load. It would have been cheaper to use prefab or ready-made concrete slab, but because we require the cover top to withstand the heavy vehicle load, it was not possible. The concrete was covered and left to dry for a week before any vehicle can drive on it. It is now the time to do the driveway. It takes 30 tons of crusher run to cover the area required. 3 load of 10 tons each delivered the crusher run. The morning it was delivered, the soil was wet due to early morning rain. The 10-ton lorry was unable to drive inside due to the wet soil as well as the gradient of the slope. A few hours before, the backhoe had already caused some damage to the soil.
Letak kat situ sikit boleh?
The backhoe then spread and leveled the crusher run on the area that was planned. This is not the end of it. In another video, we will feature how we compact the land and the outcome of all these activities. It will also feature the use of leaves blower that took us almost a month to clear all the dead leaves and branches and how we turn the dead leaves